It's New Year's Eve, I'm down in Langstone and staying at another Premier Inn. However, this time we've got a walk-in shower. I'm going to give you a tour of my room. Standard electronic entry, which is relatively manageable. We've got little shelf, hat, got little shelf, hairdryer, and a mirror. Accessible clothing height, so I can hang my stuff up nice and easily. Got a mirror that I can roll to. However, I can't turn face onto this mirror because there's not enough room. Coming into the room, we've got a big desk, chair, TV, tea, coffee, making stuff. Now this is a twin room. I couldn't get a double room with the walk-in shower. However, these can be tied together. And again, it's not a bad height. I will show you how I get on and off. Again, sliding door. So this is the setup. We got a shower. Not gonna lie. Okay, I'm going to show you what I do whenever I'm staying away. And as you can see from the seat here, it's got lots of little holes in, and those ridges can actually cause damage to my skin. So what I need to be able to do is transfer on. This is really hard, and it's not particularly clean either. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the towel which was designed to go on the floor, put that on it. That offers a little bit of extra cushion. Again, transfer as I usually do to the front of my chair. Transfer across. Then what I don't want to do is get my chair wet whilst I'm having a shower. So if I take my brakes off, and again I can hold on to these railings, I can roll my chair around, and I can put my chair just there out of the way. I can then lift. Lower these down. There's loads of support in here should I need it, and I can just have a shower. Again, I can throw the curtains around, emergency cords there if I need it. Getting out. So that one can go back up. Again, putting my weight on this one, I can lean across, grab my chair, brakes on. Now I would normally have my towels ready to throw over my chair as well, to know to get my chair wet. And that's it. So Premier Inn in Havant, I would definitely give an 8 out of 10. It does need to tidy up that shower area a bit, but overall it meets all of my access needs. The staff are really friendly, there's lots of parking outside. Definitely would recommend this one.